If you want to pause a moment in your video, here's how to freeze a frame in CapCut PC. So first you have to open up your CapCut and create a new project. Then import the video where you want to freeze a frame. And after importing, drag the video down to the timeline. Now play or preview your video and move the playhead to the exact moment you want to freeze. And this is the frame that will turn into a still image, so choose the moment carefully. So once you reach the perfect frame, make sure your video clip is selected on the timeline. And this part is important because the freeze option only appears when the clip is selected. Now look at the toolbar and click on the freeze option. As soon as you click it, CapCut automatically creates a new frozen segment in your timeline. This frozen part acts like a photo, so which means you can extend it to make the pause longer or trim it to make it shorter. Preview your video to make sure the freeze effect feels smooth and natural. When everything looks good, click on export and save your video. Now open the exported file to see the final result, and you will notice the freeze moment looks clean and professional. And that's how you can freeze a frame in CapCut PC easily. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.